You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name of coffee. If you want to learn more confusing brand names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. More coffee names in particular, I've got more coming up. It comes from French, meaning the dove, the bird, dove. La Colombe is the French pronunciation, La Colombe. Therefore, in English it's pronounced as La Colombe Coffee. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.